tree. Plant tomatoes. Plant tomatoes? Where?
Daddy didn't say hello. Pangit ng ano light ito mga kachika ba? Alina, kailangan nilang sila yung taga-agent kasi nga ano siya yung nag-message sa amin yung landlord tungkol doon sa gandang tanghali mga kachika or good morning, pero yung time dito ay 12:15 na ng tanghali. So magre-ready lang ako, magdala ako ng mga popcorn at saka Skyflex kasi manonood kami ng pantomime. Yung pantomime na tinatawag nila dito parang ano yan, traditional nila yan mga kachika ba na Christmas, before Christmas or after Christmas pinapanood niyan sa theater. So last year kung napanood nyo yung video namin na nanood din kami ng pantomime, ano siya yung Beauty and the Beast naman yung pinanood namin. Ngayon ay what you call this one, Ben?
Huh?
Pantomime?
Another one pantomime.
No.
Jack and the Bean.
Jack and the Bean. Ganun. Beanstalk. Ganun pala. Pero si Alina, nakapanood na yan siya kasi di ba nung nabanggit ako na may ano yan sila, may pinanood na yan sila sa theater na pantomime. So yun din yung papanoorin namin mamaya. Ganun. So magdala din ako ng galawang ganito. Kaya hindi na kami bibili doon mga kachika, no? 3 popcorn. Magbit-bit din ako ng ito. Grapes. Oh, hindi magbit-bit. Magbalot. No, it's not much. Ano? Not much reserve.
Huh?
I'm not sure. So ito na bitbitin ko si Alisa, nagkain na yun ng ano, ng watermelon. Kaunti lang. It's getting long, no? It's okay, I'm gonna cut it.
Let's go to your room. Okay. No, I like it like this.
No, I like it better like that.
Let's go. Let's go to your room. Okay. It's not. Let's go to your room. Okay. But it's no. It's not my room. Okay. Okay, that's red. That's orange. Listen.
Na kami sa may parking. Ang hirap pa maghanap ng parking kay puno-puno. Buti nila nakatama.
How about that snake? You good there?
Yeah, it's fine. Okay, nakatiming kami, may space.
Hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Hello. Hello. Hello.
Plus dos pa naman yung ano mga kasika yung show. Yung naghahanap namin kasi nga iniisip namin yung parking.
Hello.
Gaantay na kami dito sa labas ng sasakyan. Iwan ko kung saan na si Mr. Magkuha yun siya ng magbabayad yun siya ng ticket eh. B. Yeah, just down there. Sobay hotel. Uy, ito na museum. Pavilion. The pavilion. You went there with Daddy and you watched the lights.
Yeah.
It's nice lights. Did you jump?
Yeah.
Big jump or a small jump?
I jump and I do like this.
Big. Yeah, harbor. Oh my God, there's so many. There's so many
Colors.
expensive boats. Ah, that's the passenger boat that you know goes to Brixham, the orange one. I think. There's one there now. Oh, there's one there for sale. You interested?
How much?
I didn't say. Didn't say how much.
£100?
Yeah.
Man, this is a woman.
Yeah.
Disgusting.
Green.
What? What's that? Oh.
Daddy didn't say hello. Pangit ng ano light dito mga kachika ba? Alina, kailangan nilang umupo sa lap ko kasi di sila nakakakita. Mismo malalaki yung nasa unahan namin. Nice. Ang dilim na mga kachika. For magpa 5 o'clock na, 4:45 na yata. Ang tagal-tagal din ng show. Almost 3 hours din yung show. Yeah, okay, I'm coming. Ito pala yung pinuntahan nila dito. What's your steps, Lisa? Noong nagpunta ako ng party. Dito din yun sila dumaan mga kachika. Uy, nanginginig ako sa lamig.
This one here. Uy, nanginginig man yung kamay ko. Lights. Oh, careful. Okay. Let me wipe your hands here in my skirt. Happy Christmas! Okay, wait, Daddy here. Our Daddy's here. Sir, hold my arms, please. Hold my arms. Hold my arms. Oh, yeah. Okay, watch where you're walking now, huh?
Come here. Okay, so, dito lang kami naka-parking. Okay, hold my hands, please. Hold my hands. Hold my hands, Lisa. This car's coming.
Car's coming.
Meow. Meow.
Where's
So this year, mas maganda yung yung show na yan mga kachikaw compared last year. Yung Beauty and the Beast naman yun. Beauty and the Beast. Beast. Last year. What's your favorite one?
Jack and the Bean.
Yeah, it's nice, no?
How about Beast?
It's okay, but I like that one better today. I didn't realize that long, no?
Yeah, it is long.
Oh.
What time we get there?
4:54. We get there
Oh, sweat. Oh, it's hot.
Oh, it's 2
10
o'clock.
to, yeah.
Oh, it's 2.
So yeah, it starts at
This is
2.
drawing. It's
So what time
drawing.
finish?
Drawing, this is
Half.
drawing.
4?
Oh, yeah.
Look, it's
Half
drawing.
4, yeah.
Half 4?
Oh,
Was it
oh.
half 4?
Hmm.
Let's have a look. Let's have a look. Let's have a look.
One burger, 1 euro.
1 cheeseburger, 1 nuggets. What drink?
Fruit shoot
2 fruit chews, please.
and extra fries.
Or you want a large fry as well? Make that a large fry.
Large fries?
Yeah.
Yeah.
That's it, I think.
That's it, yeah.
That's it. Thanks.
Yep, that's fine. You can go in the next video. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
And what yan usual na busy, no?
Yes.
Gumawa si Mr. ng sandwich, mga kachika, cheese sandwich, kasi wala pa yan siyang lunch. Ano na pala, 20 to 6. So ito na yung bali, ito yung lunch niya. Cheese sandwich, tapos nilagyan niya ng mustard. Mustard?
English. You try
English
some.
mustard. No, I don't like mustard.
Of course, it's nice.
No, I don't want
It's
it.
very mild,
I don't want it.
but it's not strong.
Need to tidy up your table there later, huh? This is a bit messy.
We've got batteries in here. I need a puzzle bowl.
That's really
Mama,
good.
wait, you can use a paper. What's the password?
Oh.
And we can know what's the password look
Yeah,
like.
you see the first that it's not doesn't need charging.
You can tell what's the password and then know what it is then. You can tell what's the password. What's the password?
Kita mo yun.
What's the password? What is it?
Buksan ko to mga kachika kaya para mag-answer siya dito.
Let's go. Application. Secure. What?
Come on, put your robes on, Alina. Okay, look at you, like summer. Winter time now.
Ligpit ako dito mga kachika ng ito mga hugasan ba, yung hugasan namin yan kanina. Hindi ko pa nalagay dito sa dishwasher kasi ako yung meron pang ligpit ko din yung mga ng dishwasher. Ay, laman pa yung dishwasher namin ba? Pagligpit ko muna itong mga pan na din namin gagamitin. Hindi pa gagamitin tonight baka mag-ano lang din naman si Mr. Ito na yung gagamitan ko kasi magluto ako ng rice ni Mr. Kasi yung iba hindi na to kailangan kaya mag-salmon lang din man na. Magamit ko din pala ito. Hindi na nga. Ito na lang yung gagamitin ko kasi magluluto din pala ako ng broccoli ng mga bata. So yan na lang gamitin. Tapos pag maluto yung broccoli ay anuhin ko na lang. Yan na lang din sasaingan ko ng rice. Yung video namin noong Christmas mga kachika ba, yung Christmas celebration dinner namin dito. So mga may nagme-message sa akin, sabi niya, kasi sabi ko doon na huling Christmas na namin dito, which is totoo naman talaga na huling Christmas na namin dito sa bahay na ito mga kachika. Then yun nga, kasi nga may inanuhan na kami, may nakita na nga kami na bahay ba, tapos nagpasa na kami ng mga requirements, mga bank statement, kanon. Tapos ano na din kami, nag-contact na din sila doon sa tinatrabahoan ko kasi nga, 'di ba, kailangan ng proof na yun nga nagtatrabaho ako. Ganon, mga ganon nga. Tapos ano pa ba yung mga hiningi nila? Yung mga, nag-fill up na ba kami ng form mga kachika ba? Parang mga, yung sa form nga, kung sa para sa pag ano namin ng bahay, sa rerentahan namin na bahay. Ganon. Tapos, okay na, napasa na namin lahat, yung mga pinahingi nila. Tapos, yun, wala pa man kaming balita mga kachika ba na ano na, yun ako, may bibigay ba namin sa, ibibigay ba sa amin yung, mapupunta ba sa amin yung bahay ba na gusto namin. Ganun kasi nga, nabigyan na namin lahat ng mga requirements nila. Pero wala pa man kaming balita kasi yung last na, last week yata, yun si Mr. nag-send more ng documents na hinihingi nila, ganun. Yung sa statement nga, bank statement, yun yung sinend ni Mr. sa kanila. Tapos, nagtanong ako, Mr. kung ano ng balita. Kasi hindi din naman sila nag-contact na sila sa akin kasi napasa ko na yung mga kailangan nila sa akin. Yung kay Mr. na lang yun. Tapos, yun, nag-contact na din sila sa, yung may-ari ng bahay na ito, sa landlord, nag-contact na din sila. Tapos, yun nga, nalaman namin na nag-contact na sila yung taga-agent. Kasi nga, siya yung nag-message sa amin yung landlord tungkol doon sa, yung, if we need anything daw na, kailangan daw namin ng tulong na sa pag-alis ba namin dito ba, ganun. Parang nag-offer sila ba ng help, if you need any help daw sa namin sa paglipat, kaya alam namin na nag-contact na sa kanila yung taga-agent kasi nga yun yung message sa amin ng may-ari ng bahay na ito. So yun nga, wala pa naman, tinatanong ko si Mr. kung anong balita, sabi niya wala man daw balita ba kung ano, siguro kasi din ba yung, di ba, Christmas, tapos mga bank holiday ba, walang trabaho, close yung mga office, ganun. Pero bukas i-message ko or maybe later, kaso bukas kay Sunday, Monday, so hindi pa din nila yun makukuha yung aking message. Pero i-message ko bukas or mamaya nga para mabasa nila sa Monday, kung tanungin ko kung ano yung balita ba sa bahay ba, ganun. Kasi wala naman silang, wala man silang balita ba. Hindi pa sila nag-update ba, yun yung update. Nag-antay na lang kami kung ano yung update doon kasi nga okay naman lahat yung requirements na hiningi nila, kung napasa na nga namin, na-provide na ba namin yung mga requirements. Kaya, nahabing ko, I'm going to make orange juice. So yun na yung inaantay lang namin mga kachika. You wanna make some orange juice? You wanna help me?
Yeah.
Okay, we will make. You go get chair there. So yun lang yung inaantay na lang namin mga kachika. Ganun.
Sana makalipat na din kami ba? But it's too noisy. I don't want to go there, but it's close now. We go there tomorrow. We go
So yun nga, magja-January na, diba? Tapos yung palugit sa amin dito hanggang December lang. Pero hindi din naman sila nag-ano na din sa amin. Hindi na din sila nagmulit ba mga kachika na gano'n, kailan kami, pero alam naman nila na naghahanap na kami ng bahay. Ganun nga. Uy! Don't bite yet! Kinagatan nila isa yung broccoli. Kaya yun lang mga kachika, yun na lang yung inaantay namin, and then pag okay na, makalipat ba? Okay, makalipat na kami mga kachika. Sana nga Lord, mapunta na talaga sa, ano ba sa amin ba?
It's the I've got coin. Some of the 9 threads. 4 of them I've done like.
Oh, that's nice. That's good.
That's what I do fast.
That's what you do first?
Yeah, very fast.
Very clever.
When I finish trying to play Rockstars, I do a game here.
Yeah. You have to do some learning first, okay?
In here?
Yeah. And Education City as well, yeah?
Yeah, but still, it's the same as Champion.
We're gonna do again later. We're gonna try again later.
Or Edshed.
Yeah, okay, that one as well. 120.
Yeah. So 120 and 12 correct, 2 wrong.
Wow.
Can I do a game now, please?
No, you have to do more now.
The last one, Last one, please. Can I do the last one? I'm going to do way more like that. I need to do something.
Oh, you don't use that one. It's dirty.
After dried fish.
Here, oh, here.
After wash my hands. Okay, now oh, come on, leave it. I gotta cook it. I gotta cook it now. Come on. Not in it. I got 90 my egg, 9 correct, 2 wrong. So I said this is my last one. Can I do it now? No. I gotta turn off the tap.
After dinner.
Huh?
You do some learning there first, and then you go do then
Where's
after.
that last one? Huh?
You eat that one.
Maybe turn off the tap.
Oh. Sige na, make sure you eat your dinner, ha? Got your dinner. You want your juice, orange juice?
Yeah.